Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at T-Pause Mini puzzle. This puzzle was made by Siebenstein Spiele from Germany. Difficulty level of the T-Pause Mini is 8 out of 10 on the Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 parts inside the frame. If you take a closer look at the parts, you will find that all of them have exactly the same size. They all look like a letter T. And at first glance, it seems like there is enough space inside the frame to fit all of them inside. But when you start solving the puzzle, very quickly you will find that you have enough space to put 2 letters inside, but then there is not enough space for the third piece. I'm not even saying about the first one. So as you can see, I can put 2. There is not enough space to fit the third piece inside, and you have to find a way how to put all 4 of them inside this tray. But when you find the solution, it will be a very good looking one and very satisfying. If you like the T-Pause Mini puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.